Easy tips for your lightsaber care and maintenance. Do not remove the memory card without first removing the battery. This could damage the internal parts. When connecting the memory card to a computer, always use the card reader. After use, ensure you eject the memory card properly by choosing the eject option from the system tray. Do not remove the card directly, as this may damage it. Use a memory card with a read speed of at least 100 megabytes per second. This is crucial for the proper functioning of your lightsaber. Regularly back up the files on the memory card. This will prevent data loss in case the memory card gets damaged. Use a 5V1A charger for charging. Higher voltage or amperage can burn the motherboard chip. Unplug the charger immediately after charging is complete. Avoid touching the internal structure chip. If necessary, touch a metal object first to discharge any static electricity. Ensure all fastening screws are tightened in place. This will prevent damage from strong collisions. Avoid rotating the blade excessively after installation. Also, keep your lightsaber away from water. Clean the lightsaber with alcohol and a soft cloth. Before cleaning, blow off any dust with compressed air. If the lightsaber will not be used for an extended period, remove the battery to prevent damage from potential battery leakage. Following these guidelines, you can ensure that your lightsaber remains in excellent condition, providing you with countless hours of enjoyment and reliable performance. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please contact our customer support team.